Oh, okay. Alright, sorry guys. I mean, I was watching Black Butler, but not the time now. I'm making a video. Alright, I need to put this music on. Alright, so hey there's Tigers here, and today, I actually don't know the concept of this video, but who cares? I mean, we can make another one of those, like, weird and... Who was on my buddy list? Wow, I really have few buddies in here. And, Sealy, that's a cute name. That's a cute... No, don't run away. People are trying to run away from me, guys. People don't like me. I'm gonna go to my den, sleep, and cry in a corner. Because, that's what normal people do. Let's go in a corner. And if you're wondering what this music box is in the background, it's, Akuroshitsuji, or Black Butler, whatever you want to call it. Music box theme. So it's basically, like, commonly known songs that are in, like, the anime, but this time it's like a music box theme. And I really like it. Yesterday I was drawing CL Phantom Hive from the CL in Wonderland thingy, and I was using this because it really sounded cool. So basically, what I realized in a lot of my videos, I'm really serious, and it's like, bruh, wow, I'm so boring. So in this video, it's gonna change all of it. And I mean all of it. But I believe it. Right? Okay. So, okay. Thing is, I watched one of Sailor Moon's, videos. I think it was pretty recent. And she was stalking her fans. And I'm kind of gonna do the same thing. It's just that I'm not gonna, like, stalk fans, because I barely have a fandom. But whatever. I barely have a fan base, so. 35. I guess it's a pretty big fandom for me, but, many people don't know me on Animal Jam, but we're gonna go stalk some people. And when I say stalk, I mean stalk. With this thing right here. Right here. It will haunt your dreams forever. So, we are gonna... JK, guys, we're not gonna go on my account. Alright? We're gonna make a new one. Because, like, of course. Alright, so we're gonna go play now. Create an animal. Alright.
Welcome to Animal Jam.
I
Check out all of these amazing animals and choose which one you would like to be.
I don't know. Which one should we be, guys? I don't know. Which should we be, guys? Come on. Let's go. Alright. So. Of course, an ad. 1 second, guys. 1 second. These ads are killing me right now. Alright. So, 1 second. Alright, I'm back. So, I decided to call my wolf Crunchy Spirit Lady because that's just totally a cool name. I'm kidding. JK, guys, it is cool. That's totally a normal name. Like, you can just totally walk down the street and say, "Oh, look, there's Crunchy Spirit Lady." Right?
Enter your
Yeah.
birthday and tell us
Alright.
if you are a boy or a girl. Then create a
Let's
unique
be
username
on
and
Christmas
password for
because
your
who
account.
doesn't like
Ask
no
your parents for help if
Halloween
you need to.
October 30th. Yes, I'm obviously a boy. Yeah, I'm a girl. My age, I don't know. What should we be? Should we be 100 years old? Because that seems to be a yeah. Let's be 100 years old. Let's do stalker. All right. Sorry, AJHQ. Why? All right. So let's do. I hide in. Wow. I hide in the shadows. I know. Forever hidden. Forever hidden by the shadows. Hidden. I know. Let's try to think of a good name. Forever darkness. I don't know. $13. I don't know. Alright, that works. Alright, 1 second, guys.
Ask a parent for help if you need to.
JK, guys. Like, this is probably the only time I'm gonna do this. So, I do love Scorn, but whatever. Let's just do a whole bunch of random letters like that.
Almost there.
Alright.
Enter and confirm your parents'
Do
email
something
address.
random. Let's do I love AJ at gmail.com. JK, guys. JK. Alright, now this is serious now. I gotta be back. 1 second. Alright, so, got that. And now you can only see .com thingy, so we're fine. How did you hear about Animal Jam? From a friend, an internet ad, a magazine, on TV, or an online blog or video? Originally, I heard from my friend, so your friend's username. Her name's Tiger Claw Rules 24.
Finally, review the Animal Jam Code of Conduct. Never
Don't
share
worry,
your
guys. This
personal
isn't a real
information with
email
anyone
address.
online. And
I just
remember
made that up.
to
Don't
be
worry,
nice
guys.
and have fun.
Don't worry, guys. This is not real. Not real right there. Alright. I agree. Because I'm totally, like, not gonna be stalking people. Alright. This is actually the perfect song right here. Like, listen to that. Alright, guys. So, for a second, we're just gonna be listening to some Quiet Slumber Extended. If this person has the black long and trade, I'm gonna troll trade them. Yes, okay. I know. I played Animal Jam before. Thank you though. Let's see something valuable they have on trade. Like, I don't know, if they have the black long on trade, then I'm totally gonna troll trade them. Maybe if it's not lagging. You know, whatever. We'll save the trolling for later. Oh no. I can't stalk. No! Dang. Alright, so
only at Kohl's. The more
alright, so this was Tiger's here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I promise the next video we will be stalking people. We will be stalking people. Do not worry. So yeah.